Hi everybody, welcome to Excel Prop Marketing Services. So this is the sample apartment of Godrej Ananda. Before we talk about this unit, I would like to give you information on the coming launch, the new phase of the project with the unique inventories. Unique in the sense the concept is of the phase 3 is completely different than the current towers what they have. Yeah, we have I'll tell you the normal. I'll just give you normal information on the inventories. Like they're planned up with 2 BHK with 1092 square feet and 3 BHK regular 1588 and Jodi 1630 square feet. They have opened for site visit. I mean, they've opened the model apartment to view. You may visit the site if you're interested. If you want us to give you more details, you may reach us before visiting the site. Please call us so that we will at least inform the reception whom to meet, or we will try our best to be there, to be available at site till you're there at the site. We'll try to get you good inventories, good pricing, and it's the launch. So launch means the prices are attractive. You'll be getting it. In phase 3 starts from 59.99 lakhs. That's the 2 BHK value, and 3 BHK starts from 89.99 lakhs. These are all the prices, expected price, excluding other charges. Excluding other charges. All right, ठीक. Let us first look at this unit. This is 2 BHK 904 square feet apartment. What we are looking, we have entered and we have dining area here with television area, and then we have it living area with TV along with dining table. Then we have model apartment here. I don't know what I'm saying. Sorry. Yeah, this is balcony. All right. So then we have the kitchen. This is open kitchen concept, open utility they have given here. We have. Then we have the master bedroom which we are entering. So this is master bedroom with attached washroom to it. Yeah. And then we will be going to another room which is a common room with attached washroom to it. Reach us. We have 3 units of same dimensions available in phase 2. Two available in ground floor, one available in 25th floor. Cost comes about around 62 to 64 lakh. Slightly we can work out on the pricing. Don't forget to reach us for phase 2 if you're interested. Reach us. We have 3 BHK Jodi unit, 1 unit available 90 lakhs, and we have 3 BHK regular, which is 3 BHK with 2 washroom, 2 units available 80 lakhs. Right. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Always click on the bell icon for further future updates in real estate. Stay safe, everybody.